In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password of your Evernote account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in evernote.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Evernote. Click on the login button and proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. Now once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, simply hover over to your account section and click on the drop-down button from the top left corner. Now you will find the settings button. Just click on it and you will be taken to the settings tab. Now simply click on login and security and you will find a link to go to your profile. Click on this and you will be redirected to your security page. Now within this page, you will find an option to change your password. Just click on the change password button and you will now be asked to enter your current password. Just go ahead and type in your current password and then type in your desired new password twice to confirm it. Finally, click on the update button and you will now be told that your password has been changed successfully. Simply click on the OK button and now your password has been changed. Now if you log out from your account and try to log back into Evernote, you will need to type in your new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Evernote. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.